Oh. Want right now, right? Like this is something I inherited, or I should keep this and one day show my kids. So we live in a world where we don't say what we're thinking, we say what we think people want to hear.
Now, if you wait, all that's going to happen is you get older. Because time is always going to pass, and you're always going to move away. You're going to wait for something to happen. It's going to set you behind on the time you do have. You're going to wind up at the back of the race, and you're going to wind up in last place. And that's not where you want to be. That's not even where you need to be. You need to be standing side by side with your future self. You need to be sleeping at night, knowing that you tried your best and waking up every morning with a desire to adapt, with the desire to change. Stand out today. Be different. Become something different. Stop lying to yourself and stand up and become something with worth, something with more than you've ever been. Your goals that you set for yourself, that's your power. Your ambition is your power. Having time is so powerful. You are powerful. Set out what you believe in. Lay out the power you have. Actually, lay out the power that you have always had. Use this become this and have this. Your power can take you, put you on your path to your success, to the place where you succeed, where you can become more than just ordinary. So see what you learned, how much you gained. See how far you've moved forward and use this to take every single second for granted. This is what's going to make your future, and this is what gives you the power to have success. You have this power to become something better, better than ordinary. Your progress never stops because the show always will go on. With or without you, life still continues. The world spins and time still passes. This is your opportunity.